So in the last class, we studied how to make sentences with the present form of to be verb, like am, is, are. And we also learned how to make yes, no questions with am, is, are. And today we are going to study how to make questions or interrogative sentences by using am, is, are. What type of questions? What type of interrogative sentences? WH questions. WH questions are those questions that we cannot answer by yes or no. We need to say something in responding to WH question. WH question means when we are making questions with where, what, who, how, why, something like that. So the first question, where is your mother? So, where is your mother? We cannot answer these questions with yes or no. So you have to say something, right? And is she at home? Where are you from? And I asked you questions. Where are you at the moment? It means where are you at the moment? আপনি এখন কোথায় আছেন? কোথায় থেকে বলছেন? অনেকেই অনেকে বুঝতে পারেননি। Where are you? Then where are you from? Where are you from? And where are you at the moment? What color is your car? What color is your car? It means that what color is your dress? What color is your slippers? What color is your shoes? Yeah, what color are your shoes? The answer is simple. It's red, it's brown, it's gray, it's white, it's green, something like that. Where are you from? It's just a, it mentioned just a word that is Canada, but we will say I am from Canada or I'm a national of Canada. If someone asks me where are you from, I'm from Bangladesh, or we can say I'm a national of Bangladesh. You know, we can answer these questions in this way. And another question is with how old is Joe? And Joe, he is 24. It means that he is 24 years old. So we can express our age in two ways. One sentence structure is just he is 24. He is 24 means he is 24 years old. Okay, and another question, how are your parents? Are they well? Are they well? So you can say yes, they are doing good, they are fine, they are doing nice. So in different way, you can answer the questions. So how are your parents? How are your parents? It means that someone wants to know about the present condition, I mean mental, physical condition of your parents. These postcards are nice. How much are they? How much are they means how much or how much money do they cost? You know, how much are they? And these postcards are nice. Okay, and this hotel isn't very good. Why is it so expensive? This hotel is not very good. Or why is it so expensive? So, you know that in different situations we can make, sometimes we can make a statement. First, we make a statement, then we can ask the questions, right? We are using imager. Then what's your name? What's your name means what is your name? Whose is this, right? Who's standing at the door? Who's standing at the door? It means who is standing at the door? Who's standing at the door, right? So who's standing at the door means who is standing at the door. How is your day, right? How is your day? It means that how are you doing or how are you passing your day? Where's money means where is, and what's the time? What's the time? You can say it's 11 o'clock, or you can say it's 9 a.m. Where is Lucy? Where is Lucy means where is Lucy at the moment? Right? Where is Lucy? And who is that man? Who is that man? He is my uncle. He is my father. He is my friend. Uh, he is my cousin, Imran. He is my cousin. Then you make you'll give a comma. Then write his name. Right? Who is that man?
Sir,
That you write that way.
sir, sir,
Right?
please, I have a question.
Please.
I have a question about nationality, sir.
Sorry?
Nationality. I have a question about nationality. I mean,
Yeah, please.
someone asked me what race you are. Here, race refers to nationality or religion.
No, no. Race. Race.
Race may it
Race means race.
refers
Race
religion
doesn't
or
mean any
nationality.
religion or national. Race means
Nationality, yes, sir. I asked about, yeah, race. Race refers to religion or nationality.
no, no, no. It refers neither. It refers to neither. It refers cultural identity. If someone asks me, what's your race? I would say Indian Asian, you know, Indian Asian, or you can say Asian, something like that. I mean that is cultural. I mean, Indian, we can say, even we can say we are Indian. It
No,
means
sir.
that
No, let's say I ask now what race you are. Will you answer?
I'm Indian, but I'm Indian Asian.
No, no, sir. I am Bangladeshi. Is it correct?
No, 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 no. It's not about your country.
Nationality,
It's
not
about your
nationality. I did not
it's
get properly your answer. What do you say it?
it's your cultural identity. Cultural identity. You know that Indian means Indian culture means it refers to the culture in Indian subcontinent, India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh, and other regional. South Asian. You can say in South Asian. I'm a South Asian. It means that there is a special culture in South Asia, right? It's, I mean, when it says race means that it is your cultural identity, not national. I'm from Bangladesh, so it means that Bangladesh is a country and I'm from there. So it's my nationality. I'm Bangladeshi or I'm from Bangladesh, something like that. So
Understand, sir.
race means cultural identity, not, and cultural identity doesn't come from a particular country. It's a regional thing. So we
Understand,
have
sir.
the same culture both in Bangladesh, India, and Pakistan. Particularly, it is called Indian subcontinent. Have you got it?
Understand, sir.
Have you got it? Okay. I was saying that he is my cousin. Then give comma. Then write Imran. And you can say short answer. You can say I am or he is. Yes, I am. Right? Are you a student? Yes, I am. Is he your cousin? Is he your cousin? Yes, he is. You know, are you making fun on the ground? Yes, we are. Right? You can say something like that. Or if you disagree, then you can say no, I'm not. Right? Are you a student? No, I'm not. I'm a farmer. Are you a student? No, I'm not. I'm a businessman. Or is he your cousin? No, he's my friend. You can say, he's not, he's my friend, right? If someone asks you that, are you going to Cox's Bazar during the vacation? No, I'm not. I'm going to Silhet. So in different, so sometimes when you are agreeing, then you can say, yes, I am, he is, or she is, then you can explain. And when you are disagreeing, then you can say just, no, I'm not, no, he is not, or he's not, no, she's not, no, we are not, then you can say what you are doing. What you are doing.
Doing.
Then you can explain, right? Are you
Okay.
a farmer? No, I'm not. I'm a businessman, right? And you can make negative short in two ways. So I'm not or he is not. He's not or he isn't. No, he isn't. That's my seat. No, it's not. It isn't. It isn't. Someone says, that's my seat. Please vacant it. Make it vacant. Or, allow me to sit there. Right? That's my seat. Please allow me to sit there. He says, no, it's not. It isn't. Or you can say, no, it's not. So in two ways. So are you tired? Yes, I am. Are you tired? No, I'm not. I'm energetic enough. right? And if someone says, "Are you hungry?" No, I'm not, but I am thirsty, right? Is your friend English? It means that he's asking about your friend's nationality.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Nationality, right? Nationality. Is your friend English? It means is he from UK, right? So he says yes, he is. Yes, he is. Or are there Yokis? Are these Yokis? Are these Yokis? Yes, they are. Yes, they are. It
Yes,
means
they
that
are.
they are my kids. That's my seat. No, it isn't. You know? And
Yes,
then
sir.
you can okay. And there are some questions. Find the right answer for the questions. So the first question is, where is the camera? So what will be the answer? Where is the camera? London? I'm not. Yes, you are. You are. My sister, black. No, it's black in your
In
bag.
your bag.
Sorry?
Answer is in your bag. G.
Right. Yeah, in your bag. And is your car blue? What's the answer?
No.
No,
No.
it's black.
No, it's
It's
black.
black.
Yeah, just turn on your microphone, everyone. If it is not making noise, just turn on your microphone then so that you can answer the question. Okay, is
Yes.
Linda from London?
No, she is
No, she's
American.
American.
No, she's
She's
American.
American.
Okay, not American, American. Okay,
American.
American,
American.
not
American.
American. She is
American.
American, the president of the United States of America. So,
American.
if you
Yes, sir.
listen to some videos and you listen, so someone is
American.
saying, Mr. President of the United States of America. Okay, then
Yes, sir.
come to, am I late? Am I late?
Yes, you
No.
are.
Yes.
No, I am not.
No, I'm not. Okay, then where is Annie from? Where is Annie from?
London.
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 Okay,
Yeah,
and you can say she is from
London.
London
London.
or he is from London. London, not London. What is?
London.
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 London. Can you hear
London.
me?
Yes,
London.
sir.
London.
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 London, not London. Right? Don't go for Bangladeshi pronunciation. Please go for
London.
appropriate pronunciation. It's London. It's
Yes,
Bangladesh.
sir.
In English, it is called Bangladesh. Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Bangla,
Yes, sir.
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Not Bangladesh. Bangladesh.
Bangladeshi.
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Yes, sir.
I'm from Bangladesh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then, are you hungry?
Are you?
No, I am not.
Okay, no, I'm not. And you can say, what color is your bag? What color?
Black.
What?
What is black?
Black.
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 Yeah.
Black.
Black.
No,
Sir,
it's
black or
black.
black?
Black.
No,
Black.
it's black. Not black. It's black.
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 No, it's
Simply black.
no. No, no, no. No, it's black.
No.
No,
Black. Black.
no. Go. So, toe, toe.
No.
Total,
No.
right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So it will say something. So,
So.
so,
So,
Go.
O
so.
for you. O
No.
for you.
Go.
go,
Go.
Go. Then,
Go.
Go.
go,
then you can
Go.
say no, right?
No.
go.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. No.
It's black, not black. It's black. It's
Black.
black. And it's called what? So what's the pronunciation? It is not
What?
what.
Oh,
It's
What?
what.
What?
It's,
What?
what,
but
what,
it's better to pronounce what.
what,
What?
What? What's your
Yes,
name?
sir.
What?
what's your
What's
name?
your name?
What?
Yes, sir.
What's
What?
your name? What's your? It's called, its pronunciation
What's
is your name. What's your name?
your name?
What's your?
What's your,
Be
what's
hidden.
your,
But don't say your. Don't say
Yo.
your.
Yo.
It's called your.
what's
Yo.
your,
Your. Right?
Yes,
Your.
sir.
What's your name?
what's
What's
your name?
Your name.
what's your name?
What's
Name.
your name? What's your
What's
name?
your name?
What's
it's
your
better
name?
What's
your
your name?
What's your name?
Yeah, what's your name? In Bangladesh, what we say in Bangladesh?
In
What
Bangladesh.
is
What is your name, right? What is
Yes, sir.
your
What's your name?
name, right? But
What's
in
your
appropriate
name?
pronunciation is what's your name? What's
What's your
Your
name?
name.
your name? Right. What's your name, sir? What's your name, ma'am?
What's your name,
Okay.
sir?
Then yeah, I'm Miss Susan, ma'am. Okay. Then are you
Are
hungry?
you hungry?
How is
No,
George?
I'm
No,
thirsty.
No,
I'm
I am
not.
not.
George?
I'm
No.
not.
No, I am not.
How is
No, I'm
George?
not.
How is George? Number 8. Number 8.
Very well.
Very well.
Very well.
Very
Very
well.
well. Okay.
I'm very well.
Then who is that woman? Who is that
Who is
woman?
that?
My
My
sister.
sister.
My
My
sister.
My
She's
sister.
my sister.
My sister.
My
Okay. And you
sister.
know, so let me write
Out.
the woman. It's called woman, right? And
Women.
Woman.
it's called
Woman.
women.
Women.
This is
Women.
woman. This is women.
Women.
Have you got it?
Women.
Woman.
Yes, sir.
Women.
When it is
Woman.
plural, it is called women. And when it
Woman.
is singular, it's called woman. Woman,
Women.
Woman.
women.
Women. Woman.
Woman, women. Have you got it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Woman.
Yes, sir.
Woman.
So when it is singular, when
Woman.
Woman.
not when.
Woman.
It is when. When it is singular, it is woman. And when it is plural, it is women.
Women.
Okay?
Woman.
So
Yes,
that's
sir.
why it is called women college. Women college. It means that lots of women, right, study there.
Women.
So it's called women college, not women college. But
Yes,
when
sir.
you are referring a single lady, you can say woman, right?
Yes, sir.
Have you got
Yes,
it? Okay, so 1 minute left. So just after 1 minute, I will finish today's class. Okay, let me check. Let me check. Okay. So who
I
is
have a
that woman? Please.
Number 8.
Number 8.
Pronunciation.
How is George?
How is George?
George.
Very well.
George,
This is
not
your
George.
name.
Don't say George. It's George. George.
George.
আরটা কি হাইট থাকবো?
Yes,
Yeah, yeah.
George.
Obviously.
You can say George. Yeah. If
It's
you are following British pronunciation, then you can George.
exponential. Yes, sir.
George.
How is George?
George.
How is and house George? You can say house. Make it
How's
short. House.
What's
How
your name?
George?
House
How
George.
George?
House George. You mean
How
you know?
George?
Yeah, in British or American conversation, they use short form. That's why it becomes very difficult for us to understand what they are saying too, right? It is something. How George? How George? Oh my God, what is it? He says,
How George?
how is George? But
Yeah.
I hear how George? How George? Oh my God, who's that woman? Who's that woman? Right?
Who's
So
that woman?
yeah,
Who's
it means
that woman?
with
Who's
that
that
with
woman?
that woman, right? And yeah, no, my sister.
Sister.
She is my
She
sister.
is my
Okay.
sister.
She
She
is
is my
my
sister.
sister. Right. Make
She is my sister.
questions. What is called? It is questions. Questions. You know, it's not question,
Question.
right? It's question.
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 Question. Yeah,
Question.
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 Not question. A question. Question.
Question. Question.
No
Question.
Q. It's Q.
Question.
Yeah.
Question.
Okay. But
Question.
in Bangladesh, we say question,
Question.
right?
Question.
Question. Okay.
Question.
Question.
So it's 11, right? And
Yes.
it's time to end the class for today. So dear students, ladies and gentlemen, it's my privilege to have you on board, and thank you so much for being attentive towards the whole class. Very best wishes for you, and have a good night.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you, everybody.
Welcome.
Good night.
Walaikum salam.